Well, hello everyone, my name's Gary. I'm from the Kuvings Healthy Kitchen, and today we're here at the home show. We're giving away a special prize pack valued at over $3,000. We have a commercial quality juicer, can take whole apples, can do up to 300 apples an hour. This could be yours as part of the prize pack. The juice comes out nice and fresh, and the pulp extremely dry. A commercial quality juicer, part of the package. We come over, follow me. We're also giving away these Greek yogurt and cheese makers. They can make up to 100 different fermented recipes, sauerkrauts, pickles, anything that you want, including Greek cheese. And we also, part of the package is this vacuum blender. One of the world's only vacuum blenders, smooth, silky smooth. And that's also part of the $3,000 package. It's only at the Melbourne Home Show. Come and see us, the Kuvings Healthy Kitchen Stand, Q16. See you then.